Today in front of me I have the Arlo Pro 3 bundle, and in this video I'll show how you can open and change the location settings and preferences in this camera. So to start, you will need to take your phone, launch the Arlo Secure app, then open this little settings page, select what location you would like to change the preferences of, and here you can change its name, set up the address. You can also change its time zone, go into location settings, temperature unit, and switch the temperature unit between Fahrenheit and Celsius. You can see what devices are linked to your location. In my case, that's 1 base station and 2 cameras. You can call a friend, or you'll set up emergency contact, change the siren settings and preferences, manage your plans, subscriptions, enable or disable the smart notifications, and set up the package detection feature. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.